Hey guys, so I am actually going to be doing not much today. Today is going to be pretty much me catching up on the readings because I started two books, I haven't finished any of them. And so I'm going to go to the coffee shop. But I want to just drop by and just talk a little what I'm reading. I'm still reading this, guys, and I'm really enjoying it. It is actually really good. But then I also start a second book. I don't know why I did that to myself. And the count not done, guys. Still reading the count. But I also started this book. And this book, I'm enjoying as well. I'm about 100 pages into this. But I'm going to put this down. I'm not going to read any more of this today because I want to really finish this book. But I also have a book mail. But let me put this camera on the tripod so I can show you what I got. So it's my last book. I'm not buying any more book for the year. Any more book that no one gave me a gift card for. Put that way. Let me not say that out because it's still early in the month. I think I'm not. So anyway, I got Get a Life Chloe Brown. I've been hearing a lot about this and it just looks like my kind of romance. So I'm like, it's gonna be read. You know, I'm gonna read it, and you know, I like the whole idea of a woman trying to live the life to the fullest. And you know, I need those kind of inspirational books that's gonna like make me feel like, yeah girl, get it. So I'm gonna read that. I also want to talk about shout out. This is my first shout out, well, my second. I'm gonna shout out Young Gifted and Black. So I'm gonna put her name here. She's a YouTuber. She is French, but half her videos are in English. So whenever she has an English speaking video, I'm always there with my notepad, ready to just write down books that I really want to read. And there's two books she made me read this year that I don't regret at all. First one is by this author called Flora Whopper, and this One is Enough. And the thing about this author that you should know, she was the first African author, female author, that book was translated in English. So you know, she's historically known and she has a lot of books. So this is the only one I've read so far, but oh my god, this one is just everything. It talks about a woman who is her and husband have lived married for 6 years and they have not been able to have kids. And when, you know, with tradition comes where as a woman you're expected to have a child, and that's the end of that. He decided to introduce a woman into their life, and a woman that is was told he had 2 children with outside their marriage. And she had been through some things where she was just not going to put up with it. So she decided she wants to leave and make a life for herself. During that process of making a life for herself, she became with child. And there goes the saga of the whole story. You have to read this, guys. It is short. It's about 154 pages of yes. The other book that she recommended, actually this one I did a book review on this. So if you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link it. But it's juicy and you should read it. The other book that she had was Mima, and that's by Daniel Magara. I think that's how you pronounce his name. I mean, even the covers are amazing. Now this one, let me just read the synopsis because I'm not even gonna give you much of this story. I read this during the reading rush, and I really didn't talk much about it, but it's one of those short ones too. It's only 122 pages. Yeah, 122 pages. But let me read the back of it. It said, they entered my mother's hut. My mother remained silent. They sat down. My mother remained silent. They spoke. My mother listened. They said they had come to get the children. My mother asked them to say it again. They said it again. My mother showed them the machete. This mother in this book was everything. She's very smart, and she made sacrifices in this story. And she was very, you know, the way she did things was very clever. This is another one where I think it's just a treasure, and I wish more people would read it. And it's just the author definitely did a lot of put in a lot of folk tales in this as well, but they all had meaning. These are the folk tales that you're supposed to get inspiration from, and you see how important they were to the storyline. And it just really was one of those really treasure. Like, I'm so happy that she was able to recommend these 2 books. I have a lot more that I'm planning on reading in 2020, but if you haven't checked out her channel, please do. It's amazing. I'm all for it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna right now head out to the coffee shop. Yeah. So guys, besides that salt and pepper looking hand that I had in the last clip, why did I just lose an earring too? Like, I love costume earrings, and this is why I buy them, because these are real gold, and now I'm missing an earring. So not happy about that. But guys, got my book sleeve. Yeah, the lighting in here sucks, but yeah. But yeah, I'm out here walking. Took me a while because I had to stop and chit chat with someone, but yeah. So guys, it's literally 5 o'clock and it looks like it's freaking dark, but I got a lot of reading done today, so I'm happy about that. Kai Miller is a damn fool. He has me cracking up. I can't wait to finish this book so I can review it and tell you how it is. But if you are Jamaican, you're probably gonna really love this book more than anything, because a lot of things that I grew up hearing and how he's crafted it had me freaking laughing in a damn cafe. A few times people stopped and looked at me, and I'm like, yeah. Maybe I should just read some of this at home. But I'm gonna end this here, guys. I'm gonna get something to eat and call it a day. Yeah, it's cold. It's nighttime, but 5 o'clock. Damn winter. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.